Hey everyone, so this is student book, excuse me, page 118, and it kind of goes, well, it goes a lot with page 117, the top of it, those box puzzle challenges. Remember, and it says it on here, the top box shows the product. Let me write on here. The top box shows the product of the two numbers in the gray. So like whatever this times 25 equals 100. So something times 25 equals 100. So you got that one? Pause it if you want to work on it for a second. And so, yeah, 4. So there's a 4 here. So that means on the bottom of it, you add. So 4 plus 25. So the bottom is just 4 plus 25. That equals 29. 29. A prime number. Not that that matters. It's prime there. Okay. So similar thing over on number 2, right? So they gave us the top and the right. So something times 25 equals 225. And if you don't have this memorized, that's totally okay. I might just think of how many 25s there are, right? 25, 50, 75, 100. I'm just counting on my hands, to be honest with you. But now I know that every 100 is 4, 200 is 8, and there's one more, right? So pause it, or hopefully you already paused it. I'll remind you earlier next time. So I think that's a 9. And the bottom one, you're going to add them. 9 plus 25. If you want to do it, pause it. Well, you should want to do it. Pause it, try it, and see if you agree with me. Hopefully you're using pencil in case we make a mistake. We can fix it. All right, and I believe that to be 34. 34. That looks like a 9 almost. Be careful. All right, number 3. So now they want to go 16 times something. Let's use a different color. 16 times something equals 400. How am I going to figure out how many times 16 goes into 400? This one you might need to pause and work on it for just a little bit. I'm going to go over here on the side, and I'm going to think of my 1 times 16. I know 10 times 16 is 160. Oh, so that means 20 times 16 is 320. I need more. I need 80 more. Let's see here. Doing it 5 times 16. Oh, I might have just given away. 5 times 16. If 10 times 16 is 160, half that is 80. So let me see if I can make some more room over here. Yeah. So that means if I add up this and this, I get 400. Let me go back to my blue. 400, and that would be 25, right? 25. I think it's 25. Oh, that makes sense because there's 4 25s in every 100. And then we just have to add these two numbers, 16 plus 25. Pause it, get that answer. I'm going to add 10, then I'm going to add 6, 35, 41. I'm making like hand motions like you can see me, but when I tried to turn the camera, I had a little bit of trouble today. So 41. Okay, let's do number 4. We need to figure out how many times 14 goes into 35. 14 times what equal, not 35, excuse me, 350. Right? So I might use that same chart again. And I know that 1 is 14. Let's do 2. 2 is 28. I feel like I did this just on the last page. I did. With the sticks of clay, we've done these. 3 was 42. And then I'm going to go 10. I'm going to go 10. 10 is 140. Do I have anything that'll help me yet? Excuse me, 20. 20 is 280. Do you know what 5 is? What's 5? 5 is half of 10. So half of 140 is 70. Uh-oh. I think I have it. Is it the same answer as the last one? Look at this. That equals 350 And then this one is 25. It's a different number going for, but it's 25 again. All right, now we just need to add them. Right for the bottom, add those two. Did you get 39? Pause at any point. All right, we keep going. We keep going. Number 5. So we just need to know what half of 150 is. Do you know what half of 150 is? Ooh, I heard you thinking it. You said 75. And then we just add it down here. 75 plus 2, 77. This next one's going to get me a little bit. I need to figure out what I multiply 75 times what equals 600. Oh, I got an idea. Weird, a table again. What a great idea, Mr. Bristol. 1 is 75. 2 is, it's double 75. 150, we just had that on the last one. 2 is 150. Sorry, I'm getting a little excited about this. Let's not worry about 3. Let's skip right to 4. 4, if we double 2, we get 4. If we double 150, oh, look at what's happening. Do you see what I want to do next? I want to get to 600 next. I think you see it. It's 8. Boom. And we just add them. Pause it. Pause it. Remember to pause it. I'm going to do it right now. 75 plus 8. So I could do this. But that gets a little confusing to me. I'm just going to go, I'm going to turn this 8 into a 5 plus 3. So it becomes 75 plus 5 plus 3. This is 80. And that's 3. So 83. Or that kind of fast. All right, let's talk about these challenges. Since you're here, we might as well do them, right? Oh my goodness. So we have to figure out what I multiply by each other to get 375, but I add together to get 80. Oh my goodness. So we could start with like 40 and 40, right? What if I did this? Don't write it on yours because it's not right. 40 and 40, because that's 80. But 40 times 40 is 1,600. That's too big. So let's try 50 times 30. That's still too big. 50 times 30 is 1,500. Way too big. You give a couple guesses. Why don't you pause it and come back to me? I'm going to keep jumping big jumps. 60 times 20. Still 1,200. 70 times 10. Oh, we're getting closer. 700. What could we do? Let's go by 5s here. 75. Sorry, I was just staring at it for a second. Times 5. Ooh, that's 80, right? So let's put that, well, let's not put it in there yet. 75 times 5. Watch this. This is fun. I could add them all up, but I'm going to try not to. I know that these two are 150, and these two are 150. That equals 300, right? Ooh, look at this. Can I bring that over there? 375. There's our answer. There's our answer. Highlight this, and we'll put it in here. 75 times 5. Okay. Wow. That one took a little while. We're gonna just do this other one. Might as well, right? I'm gonna clear my board here so that we can I gotta figure out how to delete it. Let me see if I can delete it. I usually use, oh, there we go. Okay. So what adds together to get 40, but multiplies to get 475? Oh, I should have had a huge hint on that last one. I just thought of this. It ends in 5. Our answer has to end in 5. Now we're on to something. So let's go like, let's try what do you think? I ask you what you think and I can't hear you. let's just try 20 times, I know it has to end in 5, but 20 times 20 equals 400. We are really, really close. We need 375. So let's change that to 25 times 15, right? I added 5 to one, subtracted 5 from another. I don't know the answer to that. Do you know the answer to that? I know that 4 of them I know that's 100, right? So 4 is 100, 8 is 200. I need to write this down. I'm sorry. I thought I could keep it in my head, but then I'm talking about it. 1 times 25, we said 4 times 25 is 100. 8 is 200. 16 is 400. Too big. I want 15. So I'm going to subtract 1. 15, 400 minus 25, 375. There it is. There it is, 375. So it's 15 and 25. Now, I put a word in the last one. I'll put a word in this one, the same word. I just have to remember how to spell it. I know how to spell it. This is your key word. I can't say it and spell it. Isn't that weird? Rhinoceros. That's your key word to say you watched the video, and thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. All right, thanks everyone. Oh, I tried to turn it off with the wrong button.